Now the question is, a wire of length L is cut into two parts which are bent respectively in the form of a square and a circle. Then what are the lengths of the pieces of the wire respectively, so that the sum of the areas is the least. That is, here given that a wire of length L is cut into two parts which are bent respectively in the form of a square and circle. That is, one wire is given, the length of the wire is equals to L, and the wire of length L is cut into two parts. Here the length of the first part is equals to L1, length of the second part is equal to L2. So a wire of length L is cut into two parts which are bent respectively in the form of the square and circle. Now what are the lengths of the pieces of the wire, so that the sum of the areas is the least. So what is L1 value now? First, suppose x is the length of the side. Then what is L1 value? L1 is equal to x plus x plus x plus x, that is equal to 4x, which is the perimeter of the square. And here r is equal to radius of the circle. Then what is L2 value? L2 circumference. L2 is equal to 2 pi r. So here L1 is equals to 4x and L2 is equal to 2 pi r. So writing the given data, suppose r is the, let r be the radius of the circle, and x be the length of the side to the square, So clearly from the diagram here we have that L1 is equal to 4x and L2 is equals to 2 pi r. Now replacing these two values in L is equals, now what is L value? L is equal to L1 plus L2, that is 4x plus 2 pi r, which implies 2 pi r is equal to L minus 4x. That is, the value of r is equal to L minus 4x by 2 pi. So this is the radius value. Now we take the sum of the areas. Therefore, sum of the areas is equals to area of the square plus area of the circle. What is area of the square? X square. What is the area of the circle? Pi r square. So x square plus pi r square, sum of the areas. That is, so this is equal to x square plus pi into, what is r value here? Already we have that the value of r is equal to L minus 4x by 2 pi. Now substituting that value. So this is equal to x square plus pi into L minus 4x whole square by 4 pi square. 2 pi whole square, that is 4 pi square. And this is equal to x square plus L minus 4x whole square by 4 pi. So this is the value of the sum of the areas. But see here, this is in terms of x. So we take that this function is equal to f of x. Therefore, f of x is equal to x square plus L minus 4x whole square by 4 pi. So this is the value of the f of x. Now, sum of the areas is equal to least. That is, sum of the areas is equal to minimum. So we apply the maximum minimum concept. What is the concept? First, we have to find the f dash of x value and equating this value to 0 and forming the x values, and again finding the value f double dash of x and substituting these x values in f double dash of x. The procedure is first finding f dash of x and equating that value to 0, finding x values, and again finding f double dash of x and substituting x values in f double dash of x. If this value greater than 0, then f of x has the minimum value. If this value less than 0, then the f of x has the maximum value. So this is the concept. We apply this concept now. So here we have that f of x value. F of x is equal to this value. Now differentiating with respect to x to find the value of the f dash of x. So differentiating with respect to x, that is f dash of x is equal to x square derivative is equal to 2x into L minus 4x whole square. Again this is in the form of x square. What is x? L minus 4x. 2x, that is 2 into L minus 4x. Again L minus 4x derivative. L derivative 0 minus 4x derivative minus 4 by 4 pi. 2x minus 4 into L minus 4x by 2. So it is cancelled by 2 times. So f dash of x value is equal to 2x minus 2 into L minus 4x by pi. Now what is next? Equating the f dash of x to 0. That is f dash of x is equal to 0. So f dash of x is equal to 0 means 2x minus 2 into L minus 4x by pi is equal to 0. That is 2x is equal to, writing this value to this side, 2x is equal to 2 into L minus 4x by pi. Now here 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Now taking the cross product, pi x is equal to L minus 4x. That is pi x plus 4x is equal to L. That is, now taking x common here, x into pi plus 4 is equals to L. Therefore, the value of x is equals to L by pi plus 4. So, this is the value of the x. So, after getting the value of the x, we have to find the f double dash of x value and substituting this x value in f double dash of x. Now, first we have to find the f double dash of x. So, this is f dash of x value, again differentiating with respect to x. That is, f double dash of x is equal to 2x derivative 2 minus 2 into L derivative 0 minus 4x derivative minus 4 by pi is equal to 2 plus 4 2s are 8 by pi, which is greater than 0. So clearly this is greater than 0. That is, at x is equal to L by pi plus 4, the value of the f double dash of x greater than 0. Since it is greater than 0, therefore f of x has the minimum value at x is equal to L by pi plus 4. Since f double dash of x value greater than 0, it has the minimum value. So what is the given question? What are the lengths of the pieces? What are the lengths values? Already we take that at the starting L1 is equal to 4x. That is L1 is equal to 4x. Now substituting x value here, that is L1 is equal to 4 into L by pi plus 4. And what is L2 value? L2 is equal to 2 pi r. And what is this value? Already we know that 4x plus 2 pi r is equal to L. Length of the two parts is equals to L. From this equation, what is 2 pi r value? L minus 4x. That is, in place of 2 pi r, we take that L minus 4x is equals to L minus, what is 4x value? 4x is equal to 4L by pi plus 4. Substituting x value here. Now taking LCM, pi into L, pi L plus 4 into L, 4L minus 4L by pi plus 4. Now here 4L and 4L gets cancelled. So the answer is equal to pi L by pi plus 4. Therefore length of the pieces is equals to. Therefore the length of the two pieces is equals to, first length is equal to 4L by pi plus 4 and second length value L2 is equal to pi L by pi plus 4. That's all. This is the answer. The most important essay question for 7 marks.